shop. Okay, so this is it. So this is 12 kVA. This is 12 kVA hybrid inverter. Okay, so this is the system, this is the battery. So this is 17.5. This Felicity. Okay, so it's charging. The solar is charging. So now here we do. So no NEPA, so solar is supplying. This is bypass, so solar is supplying the building. So this is the low percentage. So everything is working fine. So this system is supplying an apartment building. So let me show you around. So this is the lights downstairs. So these are some of the rooms. Light is on. So everything is sharp. So we powered 6 dB here. So this is the second dB. Okay. So this is the third dB. So it's supplying everywhere. Just a walkthrough. This is about lots of buildings. So this is apartments. Sharp. So solar. So these are actually lighting points and sockets. They can power up to few fridges and all that. So this is the second dB. And this is the third dB. So everywhere has lights except lighting points, except fridges. Sorry, except AC and water heaters, sockets, televisions. Everything has lights. See. So we are good to go. So this building has like 2 phases. So this is the first phase, 3 dB on this side. Okay. So this is more like the demarcation. So this is the first phase, 3 dB on this side. Then we'll have another 3 dB on this side. So we'll power the whole. So we'll power the whole building. Okay. So everywhere has. So this is the first dB at the upstairs. So this is an executive lodge with all the accessories. So everything is powering. Okay. Sharp. So I would suggest that after testing, if they are not using any of the room slide, they should just turn it off. Yes. So this is the 5th dB. So this is the apartment. Everywhere don't they light up. Everything they sharp. Sockets. Okay, this one is where is the sockets? Are they okay? What is going on here? Okay. Sharp. So let me take you down to the last dB. So this one too is okay. Okay. So this is the last DB powered all this apartment. So everywhere lighting point is sharp. How about TV? Is TV on? There is our socket. Okay. Okay. Socket is off. What is going on? Okay. So TV is on. Sharp. Okay. So we are good. So you see it's basic lighting point about how many rooms. Our load percent is about 12. So no much load. So this thing is working. So if we check our load percent, so do you still have gas or this candy? Can you on the gen? Let me use that to test the thing. So let's check the main building.